Hi, this is Bob Maxwell with R.A. Maxwell and Associates, and today I'm going to talk to you about our full integration systems. You know, we send out these monthly ads and articles to y'all, and so we noticed that when we do the videos, we seem like we get a lot more response. So what we thought we would do for 2019 is to do introductory videos talking about the different machines, and then you'll see on the ad it'll have maybe 4 or 5 different machines. You click on those and it goes right to our website or whatever the link might be. So we're going to try that for 2019, see how you all like that or not. We sure appreciate the response that we've been getting from the ads and your response from our videos, so thank you so much for that. So I want to talk to you about our full systems integrations. You know, it's something that I've been working with for a number of years now, but it seems like now with the new increase in wages, the $15 an hour minimums, a lot more companies are contacting us about full plan integrations, where we can actually go in room by room and look at how many operators there are, look at what your production is, and then offer different suggestions on how we can increase your productivity and reduce your labor cost. We have a couple of projects that we've done recently, and we were able to reduce one operation where they were using 6 operators to load trays of skinless sausage, and now they're able to do that same operation with 1 operator. We have another operation where they're using about 7 operators, and we're going to be able to go down to 2 operators. So if that's something that you might be interested in, maybe you haven't done anything in your plant in a while, or you just like some fresh ideas. I'm in plants every single week, usually a half a dozen times. And so even though I won't actually tell you who the plant is, I can give you some ideas of things that I've seen in plants over the last 14, 15 years. All right, so I'd love to be able to help you with that. Please give us a call, and we'll come on out and visit. I'd like to talk to you this month about 4 machines. We're doing a lot of custom machines now, and so there's a couple of machines that I want to talk to you about. One is our 3-way dumper. That's made here in the United States, and the way that works is we have the plastic bins, the 3,000-pound bins. We're actually able to lift those up 64 inches, dump them. On that same unit, you can also take the cardboard gaylords and pick those up and dump. And then we have another adapter that you can roll in a 400 or 600-pound stainless steel buggy and dump, with you all using the same dumper. It's a very simple system. It has 1 operator. The operator holds the up button. If the operator releases the up button, then the unit will automatically stop. The same thing as it's coming down, the operator has to hold the button, and if the operator releases the button, the unit will automatically stop. We have some other features that we can add to that. We can add a cage around it if that would be something you'd be interested in, or we have safety sensors that we can put on the machines so that when the machine is lifting up, if an operator walked underneath, it would automatically shut off the dumper. So things like that. But if you're looking for dumpers, buggy dumpers, or this 3-in-1 dumper, give us a call. We have a lot of different options that we can do. The other machine that I'd like to talk to you about is our new Spice waterfall applicator. Now, if you can picture hamburger patties, and this is another systems integration that we're doing. So if you can imagine 4 hamburger patties coming out of a NewTek or a Formax patty machine, and operators standing on both sides of the conveyor, sprinkling the spices on the top, and then patting the spices onto the burger as they're moving down the conveyor. That's the way the operation was run before. Now with our Spice waterfall applicator, coming right off of, in this case, the New Tech. We have 4 patties going through. We have a wheel that has slots in it, and it has a hopper right above it, and that has the ingredients in it, the spices. That wheel turns, and those slots pick up the ingredients inside of the hopper, and you basically have a waterfall, if you will, of spices that the patties are going underneath. And so we can control the conveyor speed. So if you need a lighter sprinkling, then we can speed up the patties. If you need a heavier sprinkling, then we can slow down the conveyor, and then we also can control the ingredients on the barrel. At the end of the unit, we have a roller that we set. Let's say that the patty is a 1/2 inch, so we might set this just maybe a 32nd under a 1/2 inch, and then as the patty is coming under that roller with the spice on the top, then it's just pushing enough down on those spices to put it into the patty without changing the configuration of the patty. So it works out great. It's inexpensive. Like I said, the ROI on that machine is probably less than 6 months. I think it's about 4 months. So if you have any of those types of applications, we'd love to come out and visit with you. We've got a lot of creative people that we've worked with over the last 14 years, and so we can come up with some kind of solution for you. The other 2 machines real quick that I want to talk to you about is our new Blade Stop 380. We've talked before about our Blade Stop 400 and our Blade Stop 600. This saw is a little bit smaller. Our 400 is a 17-inch wheel with a 17-inch throat. Our 380 is a 16-inch wheel with a 16-inch throat. Our 400 comes with a 5 horsepower motor. Our 380 comes with a 3 horsepower motor. So our 380 is more geared what I call a commercial machine. That would be used in a small processor, a grocery store, or small meat market, things like that. And then our 400 is more what I would consider an industrial type saw. So, you know, the JBSs, the Cargills, the slaughter plants, the big slaughter plants and things. They really need to look at our 400, and then our 600 is our 24-inch blade stop, and that's used for your braking in your slaughter plants. All right, so this new 380 is really nice. It's well designed. It's very clean. Made some changes on it. You can go into the website, click on the link. It'll take you into the website, and then you can go ahead and watch our video on that new 380. But if you're interested, we have one here in Corona. We'd love to bring it out and test it, do a demo for you, or you can come here to our Corona facility, and we'll be happy to do some testing here for you. The last machine I want to talk to you about is our Thompson line, our Model 5000 mixer grinder. Now, a lot of people don't think of using a mixer grinder for grinding, but I'll tell you, since we started representing the Thompson product line, I've been in plants now that are using them for grinding. And boy, those paddles really help move the product across. It's a 90-degree system, so you have your paddles moving your product in one direction against the wall. Right underneath that is where your channel is for your feed screw. So it takes the product, your whole muscles, putting it right into the feed screw. Out it goes through the front. The whole idea of the Thompson design and the Thompson technology is a very smooth transition from whole muscle through the feed screw and out through the knife and the grinding plate. So on the 5000, for example, it comes with a standard 56 head, but we also have a 66 flared head that we can add to that. What that does is that releases the grind out of the head faster, and so you don't have so much buildup as the meat is following in that feed screw as it's coming out through the front. It's not being worked as hard. Okay, so you're not getting the heat build up, you're not getting that pink. If you're grinding meat for hamburger patties and you have a pink color, that means your product is being overworked. That means your product is being, your hamburger is being, or your ground meat is being heated up. If you have that condition, we can help you with these Thompson machines. They work out great. What you really want when you grind a product is you want to be able to see the actual particulate of the grind. You don't want it to be a smear. Okay, that would be emulsified meats. So if you have that situation, let us know. We'd love to come out, show you the line. We have a 2000, model 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 models. We even go up to a 6600. They have 800 pound capacity hoppers. I mean, these are heavy duty industrial mixer grinders. And then we have our commercial line for our smaller sizes. All right, so take a look at that. And again, if you have any questions, anything else that you might be looking for, we specialize in food processing equipment, food packaging equipment, hygiene and sanitation, material handling. We do custom machines. We do full plant integration. We do OSHA consulting, and I'm also an expert witness for industrial food processing equipment. So if you need any of those services, we'd love for you to give us a call. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye now.